can hear the noise of the factory behind me. We're running today. We're going to keep running. Supporting what the governor is doing. Shutting things down is the right thing to do. But we've got parts to make for the medical industry, utilities. We're going to keep making them. Keep our people safe. We talk about safety a lot here. We're going to keep talking about it. And we're going to keep contributing to this economy. Utility companies, healthcare companies that we support. Crazy time. But we're all going to be stronger in this together. The one thing I've seen in the last few weeks, more people showing love and compassion around this world. That's really remarkable. And I think that makes us stronger than the virus that's happening right now. So let's be stronger together. Keep it up. Thank you all.